Hello guys, I'm Sayun and this is my first vlog. Alright guys, good morning. It's like 7 in the morning and I'm gonna take you to the beautiful waterfall in Bali called Tibumana Waterfall, which is located in Bali and around 45 kilometers from Denpasar where I'm living now. So let's check this out. Well guys, we made it. We already arrived in Tibumana Waterfall and it took us about 1 hour from Denpasar to drive by motorbike. And now I'm here in the parking area. As you can see, they provide us the wide parking area right here, and it's easy to you if you want to come here by the cars if you want to. So I'm so excited to see the one of Bali's hidden gems. So let's go. Before you get into the waterfall, you have to buy a ticket right there, and the price is 15,000 rupiah. It's about 85 cents for both euro and dollars. So let's go. So the way to the waterfall, you have through a temple, and if you want to get your lunch or breakfast, you can find out right there, and you can recharge your energy before you get into the main waterfall. So if you want to enjoy the another activities, you can choose the swim right here, but unfortunately because Corona, this activities is not maintained anymore. If you need to take a rest, you can take a rest right there. They also provide you gazebo to fill your energy before you continue to the main waterfall. Now we are going down a lot of stairs with white path stairs, but we need to be careful because the stairs are quite slippery. We can also hear the sound of water flow, and if you are lucky, you can see the animals here, like these two fighting crabs. If you are thirsty, there is a small shop provided for you to buy the drinks or snacks along the way before reaching the Tibumana waterfall. Then we have through this bridge that have been made by the local community to make it easier for tourists to visit the Tibumana waterfall. There are another small waterfall with the beautiful view, and we need to go down to get the waterfall that we are looking for. one of the hidden gems in Bali.
This place is good for recharge our mind from our daily activities with the sound of the water flow and the waterfall.
Here guys, you can enjoy the nature atmosphere around the waterfall. And with the view of the 20 high, the water from above. It's so beautiful.
This is a swimmable waterfall, but I do not suggest you to swim right under the waterfall because it's so dangerous and it has 1.5 deep water.
Beside the view, they also provide you the toilet right here and also the lockers for you to store your stuffs while you swim. So this is so complete and so beautiful atmosphere here.
There are also another 2 small waterfalls you can enjoy here. This is an Instagrammable place and I'm sure this place will be loved by young people who wants to have a great shot for their social media. We can also feel the fresh feeling here because the waterfall is very calm and the natural situation is so beautiful around the waterfall.
So alright guys, we have visited Tibumana Waterfall and it was an amazing experience because the view is so incredible and also the nature atmosphere here and this is still clean. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and hopefully this video will be useful for you. And last but not least, don't forget to come to Tibumana Waterfall if you visit Bali.